Happy Monday. Happy Monday. This is Adrian, guys. And someone asked me, guys, why did I choose this marketing system 2 years ago? That's how long I've been with this marketing system, guys. About 2 years. It's definitely, I don't pay no more for it, but would I still pay for it if I had no one that joined my team with this marketing system? Yes. Let me tell you why, guys. When I first started the affiliate marketing business about 5 years ago, I was buying each thing separate. Let me repeat that. I was buying each system separate. Now I get all this what I was buying separate, cost me hundreds of dollars every month. I get it for $50 per month now. So that's no brainer. Uh, but right now we got a special going on. You get it free, 14 days, free trial, and you don't have to put no credit card in, guys. So you can use the tools, get the training. If it's a fit for your business and you, then upgrade after 14 days. If not, then don't upgrade. It's a win-win, guys. Now let's talk about the tools that you'll have, guys. Contact Relationship Manager app. So all your leads will come straight on an app on your phone, guys. That's powerful. That's new right there. Didn't have that when I first started, but it's new. We got an app for our marketing system. Capture page, landing page builder, unlimited. Webinar builder, unlimited. Custom email autoresponder, unlimited. And you know, like Aweber and all of them, you only get so much, and you got to pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars if your list get too big. Ours unlimited. Email broadcaster. You could email your list every day, twice a day if you want. Text SMS messages broadcaster, guys. So you can text uh, your leads. You can text your team on new information, new business opportunities, real time generic biz op leads. We have leads you can buy in the back office of our marketing system. Female leads. So if you sell female products, you can just market to females, and you'll have the leads in your back office, so you can email all the leads that you bought. Male leads, you can email them. Real-time interview biz op leads. Now these leads are awesome, guys. It costs a little bit more, but they had literally interviewed these people, so you'll know their name and everything, guys. You'll know why they want to have a business. So these right here is powerful right here, guys. Blog creator. If you're a blogger, you can make unlimited blogs with our guys. Invoice generator, guys. So if you're selling something offline or online, whatever, you can print out your invoice. Tiny URL creator, guys. You can track whoever joined what capture page or sale page. That URL rotator, guys. You can track what landing page, capture page is doing the best, what sale page your team get people in, guys, by rotating their links out. URL tracker, guys, we have that. QR code generator, we have that. Custom marketing videos, guys, we have that. So if you don't want to make videos, you can use the custom marketing videos right here, guys. Internet marketing training, we have a lot of that in the back office. Insert tracking pixels. So if you're doing like, Facebook ads or something like that, you can track it with our pixels, guys. And we got much more. No credit card required, guys. Free trial, 14 days. First, I want to say thank y'all for watching my video. Second, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Third, I will leave the free sign up link below this video, either in the comment or in the description, guys. So I'll see y'all later on, guys. Peace.